All right, all of us are back together now. We have Braylon and Micaiah and Gage and Leon, and we are in geography. So what country did we study? Yes, South America. We learned about South America. And where is South America located? Where is South America located on this map? Under North America, under the what? Under the equator. So all of their seasons are opposite of ours because their whole weather system is opposite of ours. So today I want you to go to this page. It says compare and contrast. I don't know if you've ever done one of these, but this is called a Venn diagram, and it's called a thinking chart. So I know that you had one of these in math one day with triangles and squares and circles. All right, so on this side it says my continent. So things that we want to put down about my continent are here. Things that are different about the South American continent will go here. We probably will start on this side. And things that are the same will go here. All right, so you can do this a little bit different from Miss Amy, but it just has to make sense. So you can do it with me or you can do it by yourself. And you can look at the rest of your book if you can't remember. So what are some things that both places have? What are some things that both places have that we read about, that we learned about? Or maybe I should say, what are some things both places have? Does South America have, I don't know what you're listing. I can't hear you, but I'm just going to say some that I know. I know that they have trees. Oops, so that would go in the same. Okay, because they both have trees. Okay, trees. And I'm going to look back at this page over here and get some information. So, what are some foods that we both eat? You remember one of the foods that they love, that they have 3,000 kinds of? We both love to eat potatoes. All right, let's see if there's an animal that we both have. I think we both have otters. Don't we both have otters? I think there are otters in North America and in South America. I know there are big giant otters in South America. So I'm going to put otters. So we both have otters. All right. Let's look at the clothing. I can find that page. Clothing. I don't think that our clothes are the same. I don't have anything listed that's the same. They may wear some Western clothes, but the ones that I have listed are not the same. So I'm going to skip that. I'm going to go to games. What is a game we both play? We both play soccer. Okay, so we both play soccer. So write that down. All right, let's see if there's any food that we both eat. I'm going to look at food. Ooh, I know. We already wrote down one food, but let's see if we can find another one. What is another food that a lot of people eat in America? Some people like papayas. Some people like tamales. So I'm going to put tamales because that's something we've heard of. Okay, now my same is about filled up. Okay, so it's about filled up. So now I'm going to do some things that are in South America that I know are not in North America. I'm going to get a different color marker. I'm going to get blue. Okay, I know they have Amazon River. Okay, I know that they have the Amazon River. We do not have an Amazon River. We have the Mississippi River. It is a very big river in the United States. It's not as big as the Amazon, but it is one of our big rivers. So we have the Mississippi, Mississippi. Mississippi. That's a big word. Mississippi River. All right. Let's see. Something else that they have that we don't have. I'm going to go back onto that page. A food that they have that we don't have are arepas. I'm not sure how to say it. It's the second one. Okay, so they have little flat cornbreads called arepas. Where's my... I'm getting my book mixed up here. So food that they have, arepas. And what we have is cornbread. Now theirs is a cornbread, but it's not like our cornbread. Cornbread. That EA is not making the right sound, but it's still EA. Cornbread. Cornbread and arepas. Arepas. I can't roll my R's. Can you roll your R's? All right. So let's see what else they have. Oh, some clothing that they have. There's a lot of clothing. I think I'm going to put poncho because that's something I've seen before. They have a poncho. Poncho. And we have coats. You don't wear ponchos. They have poncho. I guess I should put an S on it. They have ponchos and we have coats. Okay. Let's see. What else do they have? Oh, they have a game that we don't have. Sapo or Sapo. Do you remember what that is? That's throwing those corns and trying to throw it in the frog's mouth. What's a game that we have that they don't have? Probably baseball? Do you think they have baseball or football or tennis? I don't know if they play any of those. We didn't learn about it, so we can assume they don't. Put one of those games down. I'm going to put baseball. Okay, and you know, we may learn more later that we might learn that they do have that, but we didn't learn it this time. So we just assume that they don't. Okay, let's see what else that we have. Oh, animals. Let's put an animal that they have that we don't have. I know that we do not have jaguars or Toko toucans. Okay, so I know that we do not have jaguar or toucans. What is an animal that we have that they do not have? I wonder if they have redbirds or grizzly bears. Or North America doesn't have a lot of animal life that the other continents don't have. They are the ones that have tigers and lions and zebras. We don't have all those exotic animals. So I think I'm just going to put redbird. Okay. They have exotic birds. We have redbirds. And then if we learn later that they do have it, oh well, we'll just mark it off. And let's see if there's anything else that we can talk about. I think we've talked about everything. All right, so let's look at our Venn diagram. What is in the middle? The things that are the same. This is what South America has that we do not have. This is what North America has, but not South America, and that's how a Venn diagram works. Okay, so it's just a little thinking map. Now there's one other thing I want you to do, and it is my favorite part. What was your favorite part of South America? I think mine was... I can't remember how to spell it. Machu Picchu. It was the Rock City. I thought that was beautiful. I just put Rock City because I couldn't remember how to spell the word. So put your favorite thing. Now, you have to have your rainforest colored. We did the speech. We did the Venn diagram. Now there are 2 postcards in here. These are optional. If you want to send Miss Amy a postcard from Brazil, the first one, it shows a man on a poncho. Or the next one shows the rainforest. So you would write a little bit different if you were in the rainforest. Or you can send it to one of your relatives if you would like, or to a friend. This is a word search. It is optional. You do not have to do it, but it's an activity if you would like to do it. And I think that wraps up South America. So we learned a lot of things. We learned that they have how many countries? 13, but they have 14 flags. We learned that they have a large rainforest. We learned some of their food. We learned what language they speak. What language do they speak? Portuguese. We learned what is a gaucho. It's a rancher. And then we had to write down our favorite South American animal. What is arbrigado? Thank you. What is a game that children like to play? Soccer. And it says, what was your favorite part of South America? All right, so what is the largest country in South America? Brazil. Brazil is almost as big as the United States. The largest river in South America is Amazon. It is the largest river in the world. All right, so that is all for South America. And then come Monday, we will start another country. I think we'll do North America because we don't have very many weeks left, and I want to be sure that we get North America in there. We've done Europe, we've done Asia, Australia. I don't think we've done Africa. I'll have to look back. I can't remember. But I know we have not done North America, so we're going to do North America. All right, I will see you in a minute for science.